On how to tutorials back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to enable dark mode on your Instagram application. So unfortunately you will not get the dark mode here directly, but you can enable the your Instagram. So how can you do it? First of all, you need to open your app, then tap here right bottom corner, it's a profile icon, and then you can see it's a profile. So simply tap here the three line right top corner, and then tap here the search box. You can see search box and tap the word mode. So once you get it, so you can see here dark mode, so simply tap here. So basically it's a system default. It means like if your phone has the dark mode, then it automatically taken the dark mode. If your phone is light mode, then it will automatically taken the light mode if you choose the last one, system default. So I'm just going to choose the on, and you can see here it's not dark mode, so it's really easy to use.